guys, and we're in the brand new video. In the last video before, I said that the part 2 I was eating here, but not in that video, but I'm here like the same part 2 in the chair, and here you go. This is the part 2. Lucia, Lucia, Lucy, Lucia, yeah. Lucia, 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 yeah. Lucia, 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 yeah. Lucia, 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 yeah. See it right? See it right? So, let's go. Lucia! 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 Yeah. Lucia! 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 Lucia!
Kalil! Do not jump. Nagasakit ang ulo ko. Okay?
No? Okay. Lucia.
Okay. You got it, ha? This is it.
Lucia, yeah. Oh! Lucia.
This one, the green box. This one, that's it. The one this there.
Oh. That's like him.
That one.
Visible.
Yeah, that is also one. You can
Lucia.
that is the same.
Goodbye. The part 3 is
With the green line and then the side.
10 years ago.
The front.
Hi guys.
I'm saying that
But
plant some
I have a new
only
idea.
at the box of our kingdom world is another
I'm gonna turn around when I'm jumping with you on my
that
head.
is where we put the
Here. That's awesome. Bye-bye. The real bye-bye now, okay?